In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Weebly. This is a straightforward process, but by following along carefully, you'll have your website looking personalized and professional in no time. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Weebly's website. This is a user-friendly platform perfect for building and customizing your website with ease. Once you're there, you'll want to log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is simple and only takes a few minutes. After you've logged in, click on the login button once more to proceed to your dashboard. When you're at the dashboard, the next step is to click on Overview. This option will give you access to a quick summary of your site's statistics and recent activity. Once you're in the Overview section, look for the Edit Site button and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Editing the site allows you to access the tools needed for personalizing your website's design, including adding a background image. With the site editor open, it's time to focus on the background image area. Simply click on the part of the page that you want to change, the background image. Clicking here will open up options related to the background so you can tailor it to fit your style. You'll then want to select the Edit Background option. It's all about customizing to your preference, and this step is where you get to do that. Next, click on Edit. By selecting this, you are allowed to make tweaks to the existing background image or even replace it entirely. For those adjustments, you'll now click on your selection to make any changes to the image as necessary. Once you're satisfied with these preliminary changes, click Save to secure your edits thus far. Now, for anyone wanting to upload their own image, stay with me here. Navigate back to the background image, click on it again, and then follow up by selecting Edit Background. You'll see an option labeled Replace. This is your cue to switch out the current background image with a new one. Clicking on Replace prompts you to either upload a photo from your computer or select one from Weebly's background library. If you're uploading from your device, click Upload a photo from your computer and select your chosen image file. Alternatively, you can browse through Weebly's selections and make your choice there. Once your image is selected, click Select to confirm this decision. Finally, and most importantly, remember to click Save one more time to ensure all your changes are finalized. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background image to your Weebly site. Your site should now reflect your personal touch, making it stand out among the rest. Thanks for following along and happy designing.